Hi everyone, my name's Ade from Proactive, and today I'm going to go through Smart Learning Suite. I'm going to show you the difference between the unlicensed Smart Notebook and the licensed Smart Notebook Premium and Lumio. So as you can see, this is Smart Notebook, and regardless of whether you have a license or you're using the free version, it will look the same. The only difference is that some of the features will not work. So the first feature that I'm going to show you that comes as a premium feature is this one. Lesson Record. This is a premium feature which you won't be able to use unless you have a license. To use this feature, you click on the record button, start recording. I'm now going to choose my pen, normal pen, and then I can write on the board. And obviously once finished, I press stop. I can now save it, but also once it's changed it into a video, I can click on play recording, and now the recording will play back. And I also have the feature where if I click on repeat, I can get the video to play back over and over again. So that's your first premium feature. The second feature is YouTube and image search. So if you have a license, you're able to go to videos, search, put in the video that you're looking for, click on the video, add the video, and the video will embed into your file. There's no adverts in the videos, all the adverts are taken out, and it only plays the one video. Likewise with images, you're able to search for any kind of image that you want, and you can bring the image onto the page. So this is not available with the free Smart Notebook. The next feature that you've got with your licensed Smart Notebook Premium is this feature, where you're able to send Smart Notebook files directly to your screen. If I go to File, Share, I can now upload to my Smart account, and once it's uploaded, I'm now able to open this file on the screen itself without having to have my laptop plugged in. The next big feature that only comes with the Smart Premiere is the Activity Center. By clicking on this button, you have a range of different activities that are really easy to set up and create. Different activities for different subjects. This one that I've already set up is called Response, and this can be used as an assessment tool. So what you need to do is get your students to sign up using the hellosmart.com, and then once they're online, they'll put in the code and then they'll connect. In the address bar, type hellosmart.com, enter, then it will ask for the class ID 740559, next, join as a guest, and I'm now ready to start the activity. So as the teacher presses start, we now start to get the questions come up on the iPad. So as I click the questions, I can go to the next question. And then I submit my answers. So once all the children have finished the activity, if I end it, and then I can review it, and then I can go through the questions. Each question I can see what they got correct and what they got incorrect, and I can also export the results into a X file. So if I click on save, and then when I go into that, I can see how many questions they got correct, how many incorrect. So I have a record of their assessment throughout the term. I'd now like to show you Lumio, which is the second part of the Smart Learning Suite. This is a really powerful learning tool. Students are able to connect, and then interaction can become both ways between the student and the teacher via their devices. Although this is a smart product, you can upload any kind of document. So here I have a PowerPoint document. If I click on it to open this document, and then the first thing I need to do is get my students to join. So just like before, they go to their device, go onto their browser, type in hellosmart.com, they'll be redirected, then enter the code, enter their name, click enter, and then they become part of this lesson. Once into the lesson, the teacher can then switch and give each page to the students as an individual handout. When in this mode, the students can click on the pen, choose the colour, and they can start to circle all the landmarks that they recognise. And as you can see on the main screen, the teacher can then jump onto their handout and see what work they have done. At any point, I can jump back and be in control. So when I go up and down the pages in my PowerPoint, the students will see the same page. I can also go back to students and then create a group workspace where I can put the class into groups. I want them in 2 teams, and then I can start the workspace, and then at any point I can jump onto whichever team and see what work they are doing at the moment. Or I can jump onto this team and see where they've decided. So that's one part of Lumio. Obviously this is the licensed version. You don't get any of this if you just go for the free Smart Notebook. The second part of Lumio is Explore Resources. This is like a sharing platform where you can delve in and find resources that have already been made by other people around the world. You do also have the opportunity when you jump on one to be able to edit it. So if there's American spelling or something's not quite right, you're able to edit it and correct it so it's perfect for your class. So that in essence is the difference between Smart Learning Suite, which is the licensed version, and Smart Notebook, which is now free. For any other questions, please give us a call. The number will follow.